Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start GK Unit C, Deadly Disaster. Here is a quiz to test your knowledge on natural disaster. Number 1, dry slab is the most dangerous form of this is avalanche. AVALNANCHE. Avalanche. Number 2, dash is not caused by shifts in tectonic plates. This is hurricane. Number 3, hypocenter is associated with an dash. This is earthquake. 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 The strongest earthquake in terms of magnitude after 1900s on record occurred in Chile. CHILE. A dash can produce the fastest winds on earth. This is tornado. 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 Number 6, dash the center of a hurricane called the eye. Dash hurricane scale ranges from category 1 to 5. It uses the hurricane speed to gauge size, damage and flooding expected in an area. So this one is Saffir-Simpson. Dash river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar as it causes widespread human. Dash river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar as it causes widespread human suffering due to flooding every year. This is Kosi river. Number 9. In 2011, Tohoku TOHAKU earthquake was recorded as the most powerful known earthquake ever to have hit Japan. So the last one is on 28 August 2005, name है इसका Katrina. Hurricane hit the southern coast of the United States with devastating effect, killing more than 1,800 people. So the chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 16. Environment threats. Chapter number 16. Environment threats. To save the environment, we need to be aware and more concerned. यानी कि अपना जो environment है उसको बचाने के लिए हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयर जागरूक होना है और बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न उसके लिए हमें रहना है. Acid rain is caused when industrial chemicals combine with condensing water vapor. The gases that cause acid rain usually come from automobiles or coal burning power plants. है ना, क्योंकि इनकी अधिकता के कारण ही ये जो कारखाने हैं इनकी वजह से एसिड रेन होती है. It results in the acidification of lakes and streams, affects trees at high elevations and damages sensitive forest soil. It also causes damage to monuments, statues and sculpture. है ना, ये बहुत हार्म करती है. Second one is water pollution. Water pollution is one of the biggest sources of pollution the planet is facing in the recent times. Besides garbage that makes its way into bodies of water, water pollution comes from many sources including wastewater from industries, improper disposal of chemicals, sewage from cities that is emptied out into the water, and even sedimentation. This leads to the depletion of marine life. है ना, वाटर पोल्यूशन उसमें कुछ भी फेंक देना पानी में, कूड़ा कचरा, और जो होता है ना ये पूजा पाठ का जो भी हम सामान होता है वो जाते हैं हम गंगा नदी में प्रवाहित कर दें, जी यमुना में प्रवाहित कर दें, उससे कुछ नहीं होता, वाटर जो है पॉल्यूटेड होता है, उल्टा हमें पाप चढ़ता है। लोग क्या करते हैं कि चलो हमारे जो है पाप धुल जाएंगे, हमें ये होगा वो होगा, सो दिस इज नॉट राइट। ओके, तो हमें जो है वाटर पोल्यूशन को रोकना होगा। एवरी डे ह्यूज अमाउंट्स ऑफ hazardous wastes are released or dumped into the environment. Old batteries and medicines, shoe polish, paintings, etc. are some household hazardous waste. जैसे paper, plastic, chemical, metal and rubber. Goods industries are sources of industrial hazardous waste. Hospitals generate are substantial amount of toxic waste too. तो जो वेस्ट होता है ना ये भी हम फेंकते हैं, ये भी हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को जो है बहुत ज्यादा हार्म करता है। सो द वार्मिंग ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस एंड द लोएस्ट लेयर ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर वेपोर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन एंड सम अदर गैसेस इज नोन एज द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट। दिस इज एन एसेंशियल प्रोसेस दैट अलाउज लाइफ ऑन अर्थ, बट सम साइंटिस्ट बिलीव that increased and unregulated human activities may lead to the presence of excessive and harmful levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now it's quiz time. अभी हमने चैप्टर रीड किया, अब इसके बारे में हम करते हैं, ठीक है? This is chapter number 16. Quiz time. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Name the type of chemical that many deodorants release which is harmful for the ozone layer. So, वो chemical है CFC. Number 2. Over which continent was a massive hole first discovered in the ozone layer in 1985? Antarctica. Number 3. Which of the following chemicals led to the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984? Carbon monoxide, methyl isocyanate, both A और B, ये दोनों ही थी। No, this one, methyl isocyanate. Number 4. Warmer climate results in the rise of sea level due to melting of glaciers, expansion of oceans. Both A and B. This one. Both A and B. Number 5. Which climate change agreement was signed in 2010 by a large number of countries under the UNFCCC, the Cancun Agreement? Number 6. Name the form of agriculture that is commonly practiced in the hill. This is step farming. Step farming बोलते हैं उसको. Step farming सीढ़ियों की तरह जो होती है. Number 7. Which one of these diseases can arise due to stagnant water? This one is malaria, A. Number 7. Which among the following is the most energy efficient option? This is compact fluorescent lamp, C. CFL, हम इसको शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे. Number 9, name the main chemical constituent of biogas. This is methane. Okay, so this chapter is end here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 17, ecosystem crossword. This is very large. So, an ecosystem is a community of living organisms in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of things given. Let's come. So, let's start. Number 1, green plants that are the only 4. यहाँ से across जो होगा ना, ऐसे वाला ये 4 से start होगा. Green plants that are the only members of a food chain that can produce their own food. So the process is producer. Produce. Number 5, network of related food chains. This is food web. Number 5. Where is number 5? FOODWEB. This is food web. Number 8, ecosystems where species are endangered. This is hotspots. Number 8. Where is number 8? This one. HOT, hot, SPOTS. Hot spots. Number 9. Organisms that got nutrients by eating plants or animals or both. This is consumers. Where it number 9? Consumers. 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 Okay. Now number 10. A type of consumer that eats plant material. What is it? This is herbivore. Where is it? Number 10. Search it. Yes. Herbivore. HERBIVORE. This is herbivore. Number 12. Tiny plants and animals that break down dead materials into nutrients. So this is decomposers. इसको बोलते हैं हम decomposers. So this is number 12. Where is it? This one. Decomposers. COMPOSERS. Composers. This one. Decomposers. Okay. So the next one is number 14. The process plants used to make food using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. So number 14, what is it? Where it? This is photosynthesis. PHOTO. Synthesis. Okay, this is photosynthesis. Now number 16. A mutual relationship between organisms that helps them survive. This is symbiosis. Number 16, let's check this one. SYMBIOSIS. Symbiosis. Next one, number 17, change of water from liquid to gaseous state. This is evaporation. Number 17, this is P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, evaporation. Okay, so the next one, number 18, non-living factors that affect organism survival such as availability of water and temperature range. This is abiotic. Which number? Number 18, number 19 now. Which number? Number is 18. Where is 18? Abiotic. This one. Abiotic. Okay. So the next one is number 19. The number of different organisms in an ecosystem or a specified geographic region. This is biodiversity. Number 19, biodiversity. B-I-O, biodiversity. D-I-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y, biodiversity. Okay, understand? Now the next one, number 20, a process in the water cycle through which water vapor from clouds returns to the earth. So what is this? This is precipitation. Precipitation. P-R-E-C-I. P-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Precipitation. Very long word. So अब हमें क्या करना है? अभी हमने क्रॉस सॉल्व किया था, अब हमें डाउन सॉल्व करना है. So down is number 1, a complex set of relationships among plants, trees, animals and people in the area. Was it? This is ecosystem. Number 1, ecosystem. Eco S-Y-S-T-E-M. This is ecosystem. Number 2, an animal killed for food. This is prey. Number 2, where is it to P? P-R-E-Y, prey. Number 3, consumers that feed upon organisms that other organisms have killed. This is scavengers. These are scavengers. So this is number, what is it? Number 3, scavengers. S-C-A, V-A-N-G-E-R-S. These are scavengers. Now this chapter, number 6, green pigment in plant leaves. So what is this? This is chlorophyll, है ना? लीव्स पे जो होता है ग्रीन ग्रीन कलर का वो होता है. दिस इज नंबर 6, क्लोरोफिल. C-H-L-O-R-O, क्लोरो, P-H-Y-L, chlorophyll. Number 7, a flesh eating consumers. These are the carnivores, है ना, जो मांस खाते हैं. Flesh eating consumer. These are the carnivores. Where is it? Carnivores. Number check करते हैं. Number 7. Where is number 7? 7. This carnivores. C-O-R-N-I-V-O-R-E. Carnivore. Number 11, water lost to the atmosphere by the activities of plant. So this is transpiration. Number 11 na, where is number this is? RANSPIRATION. This is transpiration. 13, natural home of a plant or animal. This is habitat. Number 13, habitat. 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 Number 14, an animal that kills other animals for food. These are predator. Number 14, predator. PREDATOR. So the last one is number 15, living components that directly or indirectly affect an organism in its environment, such as diseases, predators and parasites. So these are the biotech. This one, biotech. Okay. So this unit, the all chapters and all topics are covered here. I hope you all are very well understand. Thank you.